and this is my Unit 7 Assignment 2 video. I've got my two people here. This is Liam Thursby, he's 16 years old, and I've got Matt Fletcher, who's also 16 years old. And at the moment they're just filling out their PARQs, which is Health Screening Questionnaire. They stand for Physical Activity Readiness Questionnaire. So how you going on that, guys? Good. And just what I didn't know, I'll explain the test that I'm doing today. So first of all, I've got the BMI, which is your body mass index. I've got a blood pressure and a heart rate. And finally, I've got the hip to weight ratio, which is here. And for the hip to weight ratio, I'll be using a tape measure, and I'll go through how to do the test later. For the heart rate and blood pressure, I'll be using the heart rate monitor. It's good to use a digital one because you'll get an accurate result. The other way you can do it is by finding your pulse either in your wrist or in your neck, and count it up to 15 seconds and then times it by 4 for a minute. Saves you counting for a minute because you might lose count. So you done that? Yeah. Okay, I'm just going to check through it. Yep, just leave that there. The reason why you check through it is to see if there's any health outlines, and if they are they any danger when they're taking part in the tests. So the first test I'll be doing today is the BMI test, and you do this by finding your weight, and then you divide it by the height, and then you divide it by your height again. So Liam, yep. What is your height in metres?
1.75.
Okay, so you divide that by your weight.
Divided by 56. Yeah.
What's that equal?
Equals 0.03125.
Okay, and you divide it by your height again. Yeah, do it again. So your weight.
Yeah, weight is 56.
Yeah, divide by your height.
1.
I've got them to use their phones for calculators for this test.
Okay, so and divided by.
And divide by your height again.
So divided by 1.75. 18.2.
Yeah. I've got a BMI chart which allows me to see if they're underweight, healthy, overweight, obese, and extremely obese. So what did you get, Liam, sorry?
18.2.
18.2. So go to your height and your weight. You're just in the healthy category. Pretty close to underweight though. But however, he's a healthy for his BMI. So Matt, we'll do the same with you. So do your weight.
Yes.
Divide it by your height. And then divide it again.
Yeah.
And what do you get?
22.8.
So again, go to where his weight is and to where his height is. What do you get, sir?
22.8.
22. So there. Yep. Again, Matt is healthy. And I would expect these two performers to be healthy because I know that they both play football on a regular basis and do sport as well. And they're both young athletes, so they should be healthy. The next one I'm going to do is the blood pressure. Actually, the advantages for the BMI test is it's simple, it's quick, and you get accurate results if you do it right. Disadvantage is if it's not an accurate measure of body fatness, and if you don't know your height and weight in the correct measurements, then you could get wrong results. So these two both had a good BMI because they have a healthy diet and they do exercise regularly. So the next test I'm going to do, just going to place that on the floor. So the next test I'm going to do is the blood pressure, and this also coincides with the heart rate as well, but we'll do that in a minute. So the blood pressure, we use this as I said earlier, and just turn it on by pressing that button. So Liam, when we go with you first. So if you'd like to put it on here, please. On your left arm. You put it on your left arm because it's closer to your heart. Yep.
That's the right one.
Right. Could take a while to get it right, but as long as you get it right, it'll be fine. So that's the right way. Is that right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. So press the start button and then it will inflate and find out your pressure. Is that inflating now?
Yeah.
So you're going to get two readings on the monitor, and that's your systolic, which should be the higher number, and then your diastolic, which is the lower number. Is it coming up again? So we'll stop it, because I didn't put it on properly, it's come off. Alright, start again. Stop it.
Stop it, start.